These are two of my favorite saws here at Garrett Wade. Both saws are meant for cutting outdoors. The first is a refolding pruning saw, which is a 10-inch long blade and is meant for cutting medium to large branches in the garden or perhaps a campsite or even in the woods on a hunting trip. It's got Japanese style teeth, which means they're razor sharp and cut on the pull stroke. It's an excellent cutting saw. The second saw is our timber saw, which has 16 inches of blade, also Japanese style teeth, so they cut on the pull stroke. But you'll see this one has a much deeper body to the blade, which is really helpful when you're cutting a big log to track straight down on your cut. I've always wondered how these saws would compete against each other head to head. So we're going to do that right now. So as you can see, they're both really fast cutting saws, though the folding saw had a little bit of edge on the speed there, not much. If you're trying to decide which one of these saws suit you best, I'd think about whether or not the portability of a folding saw best suited your purpose versus the really huge capacity of a 16-inch timber saw. Break it down to those choices.